In this video, I will show you how to import bookmarks in Google Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To import bookmarks, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up your Bookmarks Manager. To do that, open up Google Chrome, come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots to open up this menu, and what you want to do is hover over the bookmarks and this option here. Now on the sub menu, you're going to see an option called Bookmark Manager. Give that a click and that's going to take you to a screen like this. You can also hold down Control, Shift and press O on your keyboard, which is the keyboard shortcut to open up your Bookmarks Manager. Now from here, what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots, and you're going to see an option here to import bookmarks. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is open up your computer's file explorer, where you can locate the bookmarks that you want to import, maybe from a different browser. In this case, I've got this one here, which I'm going to import. So I'm just going to click to select it, come down and click onto open. And as you can see, that's going to go ahead and import bookmarks into Google Chrome. So that's how to import bookmarks in Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.